Teepublic tutorial, how to use Teepublic for beginners. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at Teepublic, which is a print-on-demand platform which allows you to upload your designs, create t-shirts and a bunch of other stuff, tank tops, hoodies, kids stuff, masks, home goods, notepads, mugs, pillows, phone cases, laptop cases, magnets, and then sell them online and make money. So let's jump straight in. If you haven't already created an account, you can do so on the top right hand side, just over here where it says my account. It should have a tab that it says sign up or sign in. So once you've done that, this is the page that you will get to, and you can have two accounts. So the first account is for if you want to shop on Teepublic, and the second account is for a designer, and that is a designer's account. So right over here, it gives you your country and your currency. And if you tap on my account, it gives you everything you need to know about your account. So right here, you can change absolutely everything. So your sales dashboard right at the top, your next payment, your earnings, your items sold, and then on the left hand side you have a bunch of settings over here. So editing your storefront will basically attract your customers to your shop. So when they come into your store and they see your storefront, this is the impression that they're going to get. So right here there is the store name, the store URL, and then a brief bio about your company, about your brand, about you as an individual, and why your brand is unique. You can then also enter your location, your preferences in terms of your store name, your location, and your avatar, and then your sales notifications, your emails that you get, and all your social links. As you can see here, there are quite a few, and you can just tap save all your changes, and then you can see your Google Analytics. And right over here on this page, you can have a look at everything you need to know about your Google Analytics. So they give you everything that you need to know right over there. Then there is an image watermarking security or image security feature. So it says a watermark can be applied to artwork, previews, and will not print on your products. So people may want your design, however you can watermark it and people can't steal that design. And then you can just save those changes, and then you have your account settings. You can edit these account settings right over here. Your first name, last name, your country of origin, your password, and then you can deactivate your account right in this tab over here. Then your address, again, it will be your actual physical address, all of your details right over here. And then under extras, you can connect apps to your Teepublic account. You can hire an artist, and then you have a messaging service which you can add on for your customers to communicate with you. Right over here, they have the Explore tab on the left hand side. So you have all your designs, the new designs, featured designs, the tag directory, and so forth. And then they have support right over there. Shipping info, fantastic. Size chart, fantastic. Refunds and returns, frequently asked questions, and you can track your order, and you can change the details of the order. And then the About Us, bunch of stuff right over there about Teepublic. And then the designers, this is for us, the sign up, the guide, earnings, your account, your blog, and how to upload a design. So we're going to just go straight back up over here, and you can either tap here on the right hand side on upload art, or you can tap on your account and you'll see upload a design. And we're going to jump straight into upload a design, and it'll bring you to this page right over here. So it's very easy. You can either upload one design or you can upload multi files at the same time. At the bottom of this page, it actually gives you some boundaries in terms of how to upload and what to upload. It says a high resolution transparent PNG at 150 dpi. Minimum dimensions of at least 1500 pixels by 1995 pixels, not including outer transparent pixels. To enable all products, your file size must be at least 5000 by 5500 pixels. And it gives you a link to the design guide right over there. So let us just jump in here and tap on drop a file here or click to upload. Then there we go, guys. I have just actually started uploading an image, and it'll just take a few seconds and we can get straight into designing some products. And there you go. So what I've done now is I've uploaded an image, and you can have the option of changing the artwork right over there. All the requirements are still up over there, and it is now opened up all of these details. So you can design your title right over here. It says give your design a name, and we're just going to say a surprised face, and we go. And then you have one main tag, and this main tag basically will be the primary tag when people are searching for your product or searching for a product. So it says here, our algorithm has determined the most effective tag for your design. And then it says, trust us. So it will give you more appropriate tags, and then you should use those because it is according to the algorithms. Then you have a description over here, which you can enter in a description of your product, your design, and that will enhance the product and make it a more likable and a more buyable product. And then we have our supporting tags right over here, and these are other tags that you can add on, which are your secondary tags. And then it says, does this design contain mature content? And you can just tap yes or no. I don't believe it does. However, if you're unsure, there is a frequently asked questions tab right over there, and it'll explain to you what is defined by mature content. As we come down here, they auto add your image or your artwork onto a t-shirt, and we can either put that on or off. We have some default colors here that you can change, and then you can tap where you want it printed, so on the front, the back, or the front and the back. So I'm going to just do a black t-shirt for now, and you can now also toggle on or off if you want it on a hoodie, a tank, a crew neck, and so forth as we go down this tab over here. On the left hand side, you have your very basic editing tools. We have a scale which we can change the size of. We're going to leave it at 100% because that is 100% of the print area. Then you can also change where it's actually positioned, so the alignment right over there. And as you go down, it is auto selected all the colors that it is available in. So right over here, you can see it says activate the background colors so that you want to make available for your enabled products. So of course, you can imagine with all of the selection with one design, you can have a ton of different products just because the t-shirts are different colors. If you want to have all of them, you can tap all. If you want to have only the light colors, you can tap light. If you want all the dark colors, you can tap dark, or you can tap none and then select just the few that you would prefer. Once you've done that, you can come down here and it says configure other products. So we have apparel, stickers, cases, mugs, wall art, notebooks, pillows, totes, tapestries, pins, magnets, and masks. You can toggle on and off what it is that you want your product on. And all it does is it says click me, and then you can actually edit that design right over there. So again, you will have to put in your title and your description, and it says here full bleed wall art, and it says make my design print to all edges on every size, and that's a full bleed. And then you have the orientation and an aspect ratio, And it says here, you cannot edit designs, size, or placement when full bleed wall art is turned on. So again, we can just edit this, and let's have a look what a phone case would look like. We can just say, click me, and right over here, you can see, you can change the background color, you can change the alignment, you can flip it, and you can change the size. The same over here on the phone case. You can edit the color. You can center your artwork, and you can rotate it. And once you are basically done with all of that, and you have turned on and turned off what you want and what you don't want, you can go down here and you can say publish, or you can say save for later. Once you are done with all of these bits and pieces right over here, what you can actually do is go back to your account, and right over here, once you're in your account, you will be able to see all of the details of your account. So now you'll be able to see that you have some designs, and now you can actually start building your store and start making sales. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more awesome content. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.